So good evening. This is for class 1. So this is GK part and revise on the chapter Delightful Festivals. So first I want to say what is a festival. So when we all the family members, friends, society. So we celebrate any special day, any puja or prayer, special prayer to God. So that thing is called a festival. So as India is a big country, so there are a lot of festivals here we celebrate. So first thing I want to say is Diwali. So which one is Diwali? So there is a story behind Diwali. So after defeating Ravana, so when Ram came back to his own capital, own home, so it is in Ayodhya with brother Lakshman and wife Sita. So the people of his country, they welcomed them and they just lit diya. The earthen, so diyas are like earthen lamp. So this is called diya. So they lit their homes with those diyas. So that is why it is called Diwali. So this is a festival which we celebrate in our home. So we decorate our homes with those small diyas. So next one is we will discuss, that is Eid. So what is Eid? Actually, for a fasting of 30 days, that month of Ramzan. So, after this 30 days fasting in the Ramzan month, the people, when they see the special moon in the sky, so they celebrate Eid. So, in these fasting days, those are very tough for the people because from sunrise to sunset, they never eat, they never drink. So, that is why when the moon actually seen in the sky, the people, they celebrate it, their festival, that is called Eid, and they prepare sevaya or semolina, wear new dresses, and each one say Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. So this is called Eid. So next one is called Christmas Day. So which one is called Christmas Day? So it is actually celebrating the birthday of Jesus Christ. So the people, they gather in the churches, and there is a special type of that is song called Christmas Carol, and these are sang actually on that day, and the people make cakes, and the small children, they believe that the Santa Claus will come to their home and give them some gifts. So that is a myth also. This actually relates with that of Christmas Day, and we, the people, decorate our home with this type of Christmas tree. So we also decorate our home with Christmas tree. And the last one I want to say, that is Holi. So Holi is a festival of colors. So Holi is a festival of colors. Actually, we celebrate this day, and that is the story behind this festival is also it is associated with Lord Krishna. So Lord Krishna, when he was a small boy, so that time, with along with his friends, families, he actually played Holi. So that memory, we also play Holi, and we use that is different types of colors, and we enjoy the day. And last one, that is Onam. So Onam is actually festival of Kerala. So it is a festival. It is the southern part of India. The festival is actually celebrated in Kerala, not in the entire India. So it is actually a harvest festival. So this one is a harvest festival. So this continues for few days. more or less 4 days, and the people, they celebrate it, they decorate themselves with their traditional dress, and they just play some music, they just sing some songs, and their kathakali dance, that is the dance of that state. So that things actually happen. And one more very important thing, that is the boat race. So that is a special event of this festival. So it is also happened on that day. So this is all about our delightful festivals, and each and everything it is given in the class note, and also the worksheets are given. So thank you for joining the class.